Hi Charn, happy birthday. And yun lang, happy birthday. Got the gift, bye.
Happy birthday, Charn. Love from Tito Big Boy from Canada. Have a good one.
Yes. Happy birthday, Ne!
Happy birthday, Charnice! Have a great time on your party. Bye!
Hi, Charn. First of all, I would like to greet you a happy birthday. And I hope that you're having a blast right now with your friends and our family. And the only message that I got for you is that adulthood will be a bumpy ride. So if you need advice or guidance in something, I'm just one phone call away. So I hope that I'm with you celebrating your special day, but unfortunately not. So looking forward to bonding with you soon. And yeah, I'll be sending the rest of my message privately because it's hard sending you hugging kisses.
Happy birthday, Charn. Hope you have a great day today. Yun lang.
Happy birthday, Charnice! 18 years old ka na. Sana kung nandiyan ako, din meron kang halilang sotango, hindi ko tumaya, lumpia sa rin. Natatawa si Alicia Ray, no? Meron ka pang sagot gulaman. Oh. Anyway, ang sa akin lang ay keep going, go for your dreams, and sabi ko nga sa'yo, pagka nandun ka na, yung paa should always be on the ground. Okay? Love you, Chinese, and happy birthday.
Hi, Charn! Happy 18th birthday sa'yo. I hope nag-enjoy ka na ngayon sa party-party mo with friends, family. I wish you good health, long life, and then stay safe lagi. Always pray kay Lord. Hindi ka niyan pababayaan. He will always guide you and protect you wherever you are. So, stay pretty, sexy, and independent. Yun lang. Love you, Charn.
Hi, Charn. Wish you all the best. Happy birthday.
Birthday, Charn.
Birthday, Charn.
Happy birthday, Charn. I just wish you all the best on your birthday and may all your dreams and wishes come true. Enjoy.
Hi, happy birthday, Charn. Happy 18th. You're now a grown-up adult. I hope you enjoy your birthday today.
Better decision.
Have a blast. Here's our Samba who wants to greet a happy birthday to
Happy birthday, happy 18th birthday. I hope you enjoy your day with your family today and with your visitors and your friends. And I hope you enjoy adulthood. Don't live too fast. Enjoy the process, especially college, school. Kasi you're gonna eventually work, which is, parang
Boring.
boring. Mas enjoy kapag student ka, which I miss too. So, ayun. Regards to family. Ayun, enjoy.
happy
Happy
18th.
18th birthday.
18.
Happy 18th birthday, Charn. You're now legally an adult, so you can do whatever you want, but don't get carried away. But anyways, hopefully this year we could see all of you again in US soon. Hopefully you can make it. Also, hinay-hinay lang sa alak. Anyways, hope you have a great day and hope I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Ate Char. Happy 18th birthday pala. Sana matupad mo lahat yung mga pangarap mo and we're very proud of you sa mga narating mo ngayon at your age. And iingat kayo palagi dyan. And kiss mo na lang kami kay Maddie. Happy birthday!
Birthday, Char!
Happy birthday!
Hi, Charn! Happy birthday! May enjoy your day and pagbuti mo yung pag-aaral mo. Huwag mo makakalimot na mag-pray lagi. And ingat kayo lagi din nila Tita Tanet, Tito Ian, saka sila Mark, Mina, and nila si Maddie. God bless. Stay happy and sweet lagi. Ingat kayo.
Hi all the way family, hi Bennett family, especially Charnice. A happy birthday to you. I wish you good in life and you succeed in life. See you soon. Ciao.
Happy 18th birthday, Charnice. Now that you're in a legal age, I advise you to be more careful about your actions. Now that you can be imprisoned anytime when you commit mistakes. And I hope you enjoy your birthday. See you soon. Ayun.
Yeah. Well, I'm just gonna keep it simple. Happy birthday, Charnice. Stay humble and focus on your studies. Sana nandiyan kami.
Sheesh.